I think that one of the biggest challenges that people face when they get divorced is fear. It's fear of the unknown, fear of loss, and fear of what this process is going to look like. They knew what it was like to be married, even if it was unhappy, and they don't know what it will be like to be unmarried. I think that the experience of getting divorced myself gave me a lot of compassion for my clients and a lot of knowledge of what it feels like to sit in the client's chair, a lot of compassion for what it feels like to be concerned about your children, and I think that really helps me help them think through their options, think through the impact, and get really real about the possible implications of the solutions we're discussing.
I first came to Catherine when I was unsure of what the next step of what my marital relationship was going to be. We had gotten separated for a couple years and then divorced. And it took that long to kind of feel like myself again, to feel strong again, to feel confident again, to feel trusting again. Catherine seemed to understand what I was going through. She definitely always makes you feel like she's on your side. It wasn't up to a judge or it wasn't up to each other's attorneys kind of fighting back and forth. It was truly the two of us.
All the lawyers who work here at the Miller Law Group have significant experience working with divorcing families. All of them have mediation training, all of them have collaborative law training, and we all have litigation experience as well. This really helps us give a full perspective to our clients and help them make a choice of process that's really going to work for them.
Over the course of 35 years, people grow differently at different rates in different directions. It became clear that while we were fine together and we had our kids, at the time the marriage itself had maybe run its course. What Catherine uniquely combined was that ability to be a couples therapist and bring in the knowledge she has in terms of the legal process that needs to be followed to get to the result we're looking for. I have and I continue to recommend and serve as a reference for Catherine's practice.
I think what's really unique about the Miller Law Group is our perspective and our focus on finding appropriate out-of-court resolutions for people. Oftentimes lawyers will say a good result is one that feels equally bad to both people. I'm looking for something a little better than that. I'm looking for something that feels like it's got hope for them. It has some future for them. It has a plan for them that they can go forward with and feel good about.